Бьет выше, и еще выше, и выше, ну и так далее. Спектакль хорошо, но музыкальное сопровождение отдельно.
Mistaken, that was Cristiano Ronaldo in. What a way to finish! And what a way to make it to 600.
Smash it here. He smashed it into the back of the net. It gets even better for Cristiano Ronaldo. It's a shot of superlatives.
Ronaldo dentro a saltare, il traversone sul palo lungo verso Ronaldo!
Ronaldo! Ma quanto ha saltato! Cristiano Ronaldo! La Juventus è in vantaggio! Al minuto numero 45! Uno stacco pazzesco! Alla Michael Jordan! 2-1 per la Juventus! Cristiano Ronaldo!
Did it well! Oh,
goodness.
What a goal! And that's even better than his first. It was simply unstoppable. Breathtaking stuff from Ronaldo.
Kevin, two goalkeepers wouldn't have saved that. And that's what I'm saying about the second leg against Bayern Munich. When you've got someone on the park that can do that.
Posible 3-1 al posible 4-0. Cristiano. Golazo de Cristiano Ronaldo. Logra su gol número 18 en la liga. Queda uno de Luis Suárez. Gran gol ahí de Cristiano.
Look at him fly. Moves inside Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo!
He's in good shape.
That's typical, absolutely brilliant.
It's Ronaldo.
He's done it! He has only gone and done it! Cristiano Ronaldo!
Long way out. What a goal! Not too far out for him. On a night when Manchester United had to score, they have scored inside 6 minutes. It's the player from Portugal who was hammered
Away by Buffon. And then Ronaldo!